Algorand value equivalent to 3.9437 rands a coin. The present cost range, 3.9230 3.9970. The earlier day close, 3.9777. The change was 0.0340, 0.85%. Reverse rate, ZAR to ALGO. Algorand cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, April 3, cost 3.91 rands, high 4.18, low 3.64. Algorand figure on Tuesday, April 4, cost 3.87 rands, high 4.14, low 3.60. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost 3.69 rands, high 3.95, low 3.43. Algorand figure on Thursday, April 6, cost 4.26 rands, high 4.56, low 3.96. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, April 7, cost 4.33 rands, high 4.63, low 4.03. In multi-week Algorand figure on Monday, April 10, cost 4.12 rands, high 4.41, low 3.83. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost 4.18 rands, high 4.47, low 3.89. Algorand figure on Wednesday, April 12, cost 4.05 rands, high 4.33, low 3.77. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, April 13, cost 3.87 rands, high 4.14, low 3.60. Algorand gauge on Friday, April 14, cost 3.98 rands, high 4.26, low 3.70. In about 14 days Algorand cost forecast on Monday, April 17, cost 3.82 rands, high 4.09, low 3.55. Algorand gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost 4.06 rands, high 4.34, low 3.78. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost 3.94 rands, high 4.22, low 3.66. Algorand gauge on Thursday, April 20, cost 4.02 rands, high 4.30, low 3.74. Algorand cost forecast on Friday, April 21, cost 3.78 rands, high 4.04, low 3.52. In 3 weeks Algorand gauge on Monday, April 24, cost 4.06 rands, high 4.34, low 3.78. Algorand cost forecast on Tuesday, April 25, cost 4.13 rands, high 4.42, low 3.84. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, April 26, cost 3.79 rands, high 4.06, low 3.52. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost 4.06 rands, high 4.34, low 3.78. Algorand conjecture on Friday, April 28, cost 4.29 rands, high 4.59, low 3.99. In about a month Algorand cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost 4.60 rands, high 4.92, low 4.28. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, May 2, cost 4.56 rands, high 4.88, low 4.24. Algorand value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Algorand cost expectation for April 2023. Before all else cost at 4.02 rands. Excessive cost 4.63, while low cost 3.43. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.09. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 4.29, change for April 6.7%. Algorand conjecture for May 2023. To start with cost at 4.29 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.96, while low cost 3.94. They found the middle value of cost 4.46. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 4.64, change for May 8.2%. Algorand cost expectation for June 2023. In the first place cost at 4.64 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.64, while low cost 3.89. They found the middle value of cost 4.34. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 4.18, change for June 9.9%. Algorand gauge for July 2023. In the first place cost at 4.18 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.76, while low cost 4.14. They found the middle value of cost 4.38. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 4.45, change for July 6.5%. Algorand cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 4.45 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.52, while low cost 4.45. They found the middle value of cost 4.90. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 5.16, change for August 16.0%. Algorand gauge for September 2023. In the first place, cost at 5.16 rands. Exorbitant cost 5.16, while low cost 4.03. The found the middle value of cost 4.67. Algorand cost gauge toward the month's end 4.33, change for September 16.1%. Algorand cost expectation for October 2023. To start with, cost at 4.33 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.33, while low cost 3.39. The found the middle value of cost 3.92. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 3.64, change for October 15.9%. Algorand estimate for November 2023. To start with, cost at 3.64 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.00, while low cost 3.48. The found the middle value of cost 3.72. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 3.74, change for November 2.7%. Algorand cost expectation for December 2023. To start with, cost at 3.74 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.64, while low cost 3.74. The found the middle value of cost 4.12. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 4.34, change for December 16.0%. Algorand estimate for January 2024. To start with, cost at 4.34 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.34, while low cost 3.57. The found the middle value of cost 4.02. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 3.84, change for January 11.5%. Algorand cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at 3.84 rands. Excessive cost 4.47, while low cost 3.84. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 4.08. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 4.18, change for February 8.9%. Algorand figure for WAC 2024. Initially cost at 4.18 rands. Excessive cost 4.18, while low cost 3.26. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.78. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 3.51, change for spring 16.0%. Algorand cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at 3.51 rands. Excessive cost 3.51, while low cost 2.74. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.18. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.95, change for April 16.0%. ZAR to ALGO swapping scale equivalent to 0.2536 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.2502 minus 0.2549. The earlier days nearby 0.2514. Change for now plus 0.0022 plus 0.88%. ZAR to ALGO cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Ran to Algorand conjecture on Monday, April 3, cost 0.256 coins, high 0.275,